the off-road begins to Muttati. The roads used to be nice earlier, so I think to prevent poaching, one side of the road they have made it a jeep route, and the other side it's completely tarmac. So this is the way from Satnur. So you can also reach this place from Halgur. So there is a very famous Hanuman temple called Muttati. So the name Muttati actually comes from the temple that I'm planning to visit now. So this route is completely infested with elephants. So on the way you will be able to see a lot of elephant dump. Elephant basically, I don't think they would cross this region in the afternoon. I think most likely probably in the night they would just visit this place. There are a few watering holes. So I heard during summer. So now we are in winter, so just now we have completed the rainy season. So there is no dearth of water. So I think lot of elephant would have moved towards other regions. But whenever there is a shortage of water, because Kaveri flows here, so you would see a lot of elephants, especially in the summer. So when you enter from Satnur, you just need to make an entry. So this has two entrances, as I was mentioning earlier. So you can either come from Satnur or you can come from Halgur side. So the road here is pretty bad. I mean, for off-roading it's good, but if you want to come in a hatchback or a sedan, this route is not a preferred route. So you can use on the Kanakpura road you have to go at least like 15 kilometers ahead, and you'll get a deviation at Halgur, and from there you can get to the same place using the tarmac road. So these are the water holes what the forest department has created for elephants to come and have water during summer. Not only elephants, but I think there are certain other large animals here. I'm not sure about the tiger, but I think this region has leopards, and it has smaller mammals like mongoose and deers, sambars, and lot of langur. So you can see a lot of you can see on the left side, you can see some elephant dump. Wherever there is a watering hole, you will, I think maybe in the night they congregate. So this forest is connected to Bandipur, Nagarhole, Satyamangala and other places. So apparently during the initial days of Veerappan, so you can see some fresh elephant dump here. So apparently during the initial days of Veerappan, he was in this region for a few months when he was actually chased by the police. So you see a lot of these young crowd who basically come here. This is a good place for one day visit. So there is a river and there is also a coracle ride. And if you want to stay overnight, there is Kaveri fishing camp, or it's also called Bhimeshwari. So I'll give the link for Bhimeshwari in the description. So the road used to be a lot better, but I think purposely they are not maintaining this because they don't want a lot of visitors using this road, mainly because a lot of elephant towards the right side there is a forest and we have water on the left side. So a lot of elephants cross from the forest to the river to drink water. So I think that's the reason why they have not keen on I think they're not keen on maintaining this road. But for people who want to visit the temple, as I said, there is another road. I think that is more well maintained. So you see the elephant dump, every 50 to 100 meters. So looks like there is a good population of elephant in this region. And also when you enter, basically the forest guards or the forest watchers, they tell you not to stop your vehicles or get down. I've seen a lot of people stopping the vehicle here because there are a lot of berries and people generally stop to pluck the berries. So we are still about I think another 17 kilometers from the temple. So the complete route till the temple is the way that you are seeing right now. And if you are into bird watching, you will see a lot of species of birds. So if you are a bird watcher, then this is a good place for someone to come and visit. So this is actually not far from Bangalore. So basically you need to come to Kanakpura. From Kanakpura, I think another 20 kilometers you reach Satnur. There is a deviation. So if you take left, you basically enter this region. Alright, the road is getting worse. Generally, I see deers, mongoose. Elephants I've seen maybe once That's about it. At a distance, I've seen it a couple of times, but in close proximity, just once. So you can see the elephant dump on the left hand side. So you see a few, not many people come on this road, only a few local villagers from the neighboring villages, they use this road. All right. I think if you want to come to Muttadi using this road, I think it's better that you come in a larger vehicle. And also I've seen one of the bloggers that I follow, DV Vlogs. So he was here last I think couple of weeks ago. So you can see this is another watering hole. I have the sun in my eye right now. So this complete range, it basically merges into, as I was saying, Satyamangala, and then it goes to Ooty, and from there it goes to the Periyar Tiger Reserve and adjoining regions. So from here onwards we will be going down because it's a valley. It's pretty much downhill from now. So here you can see the valley, the forest. It's a beautiful place, especially during summer. You'll get to see a lot of beautiful colors, and it's actually a site to visit during summer. But the only problem during summer is there'll be forest fires at times. So there is I'll stop at a little distance. So there is a Hanuman temple here, and then I will give you guys a view of the valley. So this is one of the temple which is halfway between Satnur and the Mutati temple. Right now I'm seeing a beautiful sunset, so let me park my car somewhere here. Let me see if I can get a good view of the valley. It's pretty dense forest. Alright, so there is no place for me to park. The roads are pretty narrow. Okay, let me see if I can park here. Okay, no, let me. Let me stop here and see if I can get a video of the valley. Okay, there is a good spot to stop. That's the sun setting behind the hills. It's beautiful. So the road gets worse here. If you want some off-roading experience, you can see how bad the road gets here. I think I can only imagine the condition of this road during rainy season. You can see how the rainwater has cut through the road. I don't know whether it's visible on the video, but some of these waterways through the road, these are a good 1 feet, half a feet deep. All right. All right. So this. All right. So the worst part of the off-road section is done. So I'll quickly show you guys the temple once I reach. I think we should be reaching the temple probably in like maybe 10 minutes or so. I'll just pause the video, and then once I reach the temple, I'll start the recording again. Alright, feels great coming back onto a tarmac road. It's good that the forest department has kept that road in a bad condition. So let me just take a turn so that I can show you guys the water. So I think this is flowing, this is some stream flowing from the hills to the Kaveri. So you can see all this monkey toll. I think a lot of people who visit this place feed these monkeys, which is not a good thing, because I think during Corona, I think when there was a shutdown, I think a lot of these monkeys had a difficult time to find food. So you can see on the left hand side, so you see the beautiful Kaveri, and you see the beautiful sunset. I think there is entrance fees here. Sometimes the guy will be there, sometimes he won't be there. I think if he's there, it's about 30 bucks or so, something like that. So usually that guy will be standing here But today looks like no one is there, so before he turns up, let me go to the temple. So this is the famous Muttati temple. You can see someone is taking a photo with monkey on his shoulder. So I had a quick darshan, and now I'm heading back to Bangalore. You can see some of these wild pigs. Not some, you'll see a lot of wild pigs here. And I saw some deers as well, but they are pretty shy, so they basically ran away, so I couldn't make a video of that. I'll also try to stop. You can see a beautiful sunset here. I mean, this is gorgeous. I don't know how much of justification the video is gonna give to the actual sunset that I'm seeing, but the sun is looking like a huge ball of fire. And these morons, instead of enjoying the view, they want to rush even on this small road. Let me see if I can turn this. Beautiful sunset. There's some dangle going on here. beautiful colors. Little further ahead is the Kaveri fishing camp. I think you can book a stay there on JLR, Jungle Lodges and Resort. I think it's about 8